Hello students, good morning to all of you. Today we will discuss about chapter 2 polynomial of class 10th NCERT CBSE. So what is polynomial? Polynomial. Poly means many and nomial means terms. So the expression which have many terms is called polynomial. Now we will discuss about nomial. Monomial. Binomial. Trinomial. Dash 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 and so on. Polynomial. What is monomial? The expression which have only one term, which have only one term is called monomial. Two terms is called binomial. The expression which have two terms. Trinomial, the expression which have three terms. Dash 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 and so on. Polynomial, the expression which have many terms. Now we will discuss about the types of polynomial. Types of polynomial. Number 1, linear polynomial. Number 2, quadratic polynomial. Number 3, cubic polynomial. So what is linear polynomial? The polynomial which have degree 1 is called linear polynomial. The polynomial which have degree 1 quadratic polynomial, the polynomial which have 2 degree. Cubic polynomial, the polynomial which have 3 degree. The standard form of linear polynomial is ax plus b. Quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. Cubic ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. So in linear polynomial highest power is 1, that is degree 1. In quadratic 2, in cubic 3. Now we will discuss about exercise 2.1. The graph of y equal to p of x. are given in figure for some polynomial px. Find the number of zeros of px in each case. For example, part first. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. We will find out the number of zeros of this given graph. The given graph does not intersect x-axis. This graph does not intersect x-axis. So, number of zeros are 0 because the graph does not intersect the x-axis. Part second. There are one number of zeros. There are one number of zeros. That is number of zeros equal to 1 because the graph intersect the x-axis only one time. So number of zeros equal to 1. Part third. There are 3 number of zeros because the graph intersect the x-axis 1, 2, 3 times. So number of zeros equal to 3. In part fourth, there are 2 number of zeros. Number of zeros equal to 2 because the graph intersect the x-axis at 2 different points. So number of zeros equal to 2. Part fifth. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. There are 4 number of zeros because graph intersect the x-axis 4 times. Since number of zeros equal to 4. And in part 6th, there are 3 number of zeros because graph intersect the x-axis 3 times. Since number of zeros equal to 3. Dear students, if the function is in the form of y equal to p of f of y, x equal to f of y, then we find the number of zeros. So we can count the number of points on y-axis. भाई गिवन ग्राफ वाई एक्सिस को जितने टाइम्स इंटरसेक्ट करेगा उतने ही नंबर ऑफ जीरोज होंगे. सो एक्सरसाइज 2.1 इज कंप्लीट. अगर आप सभी को ये हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो आप हमारे वीडियो चैनल SGS मिलकपुर को सब्सक्राइब करें और हमारी वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें. अगर किसी को कोई डाउट है तो कमेंट के अंदर कमेंट करें. थैंक यू.